Here we go, it's time for the ultimate battery drain test between the iPhone 15 Pro Max, the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Yes, Samsung takes on both iPhones in this handicap battery drain test battle. Let's see how power efficient the world's first 3nm chip, that is the A17 Pro, inside the iPhone 15 Pro Max really is when it comes to real life. We'll be doing everything from gaming to heavy gaming to social media usage, watching lots of YouTube videos, and much more. We have the latest software versions running on all phones, which means iOS 17 for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. I'm hoping some battery gains with the new version. As for S23 Ultra, we are running the latest September patch. As always, kick back, relax, enjoy the music, and I'll see you guys on the other side. Alrighty, we are back, and what a test. Ever since 2019, iPhones were winning my battery drain test, but now that finally stops. Samsung just G-checked both iPhone models in one video, beating out the brand spanking iPhone 15 Pro Max out of the box and the iPhone 14 Pro Max decisively with a pretty good difference in timing, while also beating the iPhone 14 Pro Max from last year. I have to say, iOS 17 has definitely nuked the battery on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. It literally took away 2 hours from its previous performance, so that's kinda hard to see. As for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, for the whole test, it wasn't able to surpass Samsung at any moment. Like S23 Ultra was ahead throughout this whole test. What's crazy is that the difference between these two phones was only like 1 to 2%. It got noticeably more as soon as we entered the gaming stage, which is where the A17 Pro pushed itself to the maximum level, hence we have more of a battery drain than usual. Again, I'm not sure what the exact reason is, but seems like Galaxy S23 Ultra takes the cake for this year compared to the iPhone when it comes to the battery performance. And let's not forget, the Galaxy S23 Ultra also supports faster charging of 45 watts, so it's gonna charge faster than the 15 Pro Max and the 14 Pro Max. Apple hasn't done anything to the fast charging speeds on the iPhone 15 Pro Max, so the fast charging will be similar to the 14 Pro Max, which means S23 Ultra is having a pretty healthy lead in fast charging department as well. So there we go. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. In case you missed my speed test video of the S23 Ultra versus the iPhone 15 Pro Max, I highly recommend you guys check that out. The link for that is in the description. With that being said, subscribe if you're new here. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.